Hey mate, Rob again. I just want to show restaurant and cafe and shop owners how much bad maintenance is costing. So I'm simulating a blocked condenser here, which I've seen them completely blocked many times over the years, and just want to show the amp drawer. So I've disconnected the run capacitor because I find so many run capacitors faulty and not replaced. So at the moment we're drawing 4.28 amps. Okay, so what's supposed to happen is water comes in here through this little drain here, which comes from in here. So condensation builds up in here in your fridge. It's this, wherever your cooling unit is, there'll be a drain of some sort, and it drains into the condensing unit, and the discharge pipe, condensation pipe, heats up and evaporates the water. So this not only evaporates the water, but water is supposed to be in there, and it helps keep the unit cool, helps the pressure run lower. It's going to show you what the difference between a well-maintained unit is, because lots of times that drain is blocked, and the customers or this area here has got a hole in it, and the water is not staying in here. Now this could be an area like this, or it could be in a cake display cabinet, say a tray which has this coil in it, and I've seen it many times. Customers got a big tray underneath the fridge because that's leaking, and that needs to be fixed because that's costing them money. So if water is not getting caught in this area or in that tray, and water is not going over this discharge line, condensate pipe, whatever you want to call it, well then the amp drawer is going to be much higher, like this. Now let me put a little bit of water in here, reconnect the run capacitor, and clean the condenser. Okay, so I've reconnected the run capacitor, which is a good run capacitor. I've put a little bit of water in here, not much, a little bit of water in here, and I've cleaned the condenser. Well, I've simulated cleaning the condenser. I've removed the foam, removed the foam from it, and this is going to start up in a sec. Oh, here she goes. Now let's see what the difference in amp draw is. So I've simulated the drain working. There's lots of them are blocked, and also too, if this is a plastic container where in a cake display cabinet, and I've seen heaps of them cracked and leaking. So now we've got water on the condensate pipe, helping the refrigeration unit work. Okay, and we're going to see what difference, and we've got a clean condenser. Let's see what difference in the amp draw. See, look at this. This is about 25% difference, and less wear and tear on your condenser fan motor, less wear and tear on your compressor. So the most important thing is to make sure wherever the water is dripping into, make sure that that's not blocked. Make sure that the container that goes into is not cracked and leaking, and make sure that your condenser is that clean all the time. Even to buy a brush like this to clean it, but you need to be able to put a torch on one side and look through the other side and see the light, if you like, see the light, yeah. And it should be that clean that it sucks in. See how this sucks in? It's actually grabbing it. That's how clean it needs to be. So dirty condensers, drains that are blocked, and run capacitors that are not working efficiently. And you should get your fridge mechanic to check all these things, and you'll save money.